everyone. In this video series, we will be learning about logo and its practical implementation. So in this particular video, I will be teaching about a logo, that is introduction to logo. So a logo is a graphic symbol to represent a company, organization, product or brand. It is a visual element that serves as a unique and recognizable identifier, helping to establish and promote the identity of the entity it represents. Logos play a crucial role in branding, providing a visual shorthand for customers to recognize and remember a business. The primary purpose of a logo is to create a strong visual association with a brand, fostering brand recognition and loyalty. It serves as a visual cue that conveys the essence of the brand, its values, and its personality. Logos often incorporate distinctive colors, shapes, and typography to create a memorable and impactful image. A well designed logo is a powerful tool in marketing and communication, helping to establish a brand's identity in the minds of consumers. It can be featured on various marketing materials, products, and digital platforms, reinforcing the brand's presence across different channels. In summary, a logo is a visual representation that goes beyond being just a graphic element. It encapsulates the essence of a brand and plays a vital role in creating a lasting impression on its audience. Thanks for watching.